everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. So we had been super lucky and been having really nice weather and really warm, especially for December, but now it is really cold. We have a big cold front coming in and it's really cold now, but it's going to get down to 19 tonight. So we are going to go through and prepare our garden just to make sure that everything survives during this freeze. So today we did go through and we watered really well. We have an above ground sprinkler up here. So we prepared the plants, watered them real deep today, and then now we're just going to go through and we're going to cover on these PVC dome hoop houses that we have built. So in case you missed the video whenever I made all of these, I did post a video, and I'll post a link down in the description, all about whenever I first put them together, showing all the way from start to finish. So I'll post that in case you wanted to build some of these yourself too. So we're not going to worry about covering everything in the garden. I mean, especially things like this garlic right here. We're not really that worried about it. It actually loves the freeze. But we are going to be going through, especially like the Swiss chard bed over here, and just some of our greens that we want to kind of help make it through this weather. We're going to cover too. So things like the lettuces and things like that. So Dale's getting the plastic sheeting ready over here, and he's in a t-shirt. I don't know how he's managing it because it's like in the 30s right now, but he must love it outside. But we keep all of these plastic that whenever we're not using them, we fold them up and we put them into these storage bins, so that way they're not just floating all around our garden. So we will go through and we're going to get started getting everything covered. Okay, Dale had to go inside because he was too cold. So I think next time we're gonna need to like label these or something, because some of them are a little bit different sizes and we had cut them last time. So it might be easier for us to somehow label them or something like that. But even still, like, we managed to figure out which one went where. So there weren't that many different sizes. So it still worked out good. Okay, so since Dale's inside, it's kind of hard to do this as a one-person job, so I'm going to just leave it how we have it now. We covered the important beds. We covered the Swiss chard, and then a few of like our herb and cabbage over here, and then a bunch of our lettuce over here that we had planted in square foot gardening. The ones we left open are the microgreens, so I guess we'll see how they do with this weather tonight, and we'll see how they go. Okay, so fingers crossed everything goes good tonight with these plants. I will let you know how everything goes tomorrow and how everything looks. So fingers crossed for us. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Leave any comments in the comment section and I will get back to you there or make another video. So thank you so much, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.